Hello Live Wires, Heather Boyd Wire here, and today it's Tip Tuesday. Today I'm making guitar pick earrings with musical notes. I'm using the new Beadle-On Glimmer series. These are the flat nose pliers, the chain nose pliers, the bent chain nose pliers, the round nose pliers, the semi-flush cutters, and the nipper tool, which is like a flush cutter. You can use a guitar pick punch to punch picks out of credit cards. I'll link it up in the description below the video. So just to show you, you just put the card in and you squeeze it and it makes a cute little guitar pick. And then to make the hole, we're going to use the Euro tool punch. It's the 1.5 millimeter size, and we are just going to punch a little hole at the top. So you can make your own guitar pick if you like. Here's a pair I made years ago with regular guitar picks. So for those, you can also punch them with the Euro tool. So we'll just punch a little hole near the top, and you can actually just put an earring hook or a jump ring and an earring hook on that, or we are going to add a musical note. So I have 4 to 5 inches of 20 gauge artistic wire, and I am using the new bail making pliers, the smallest size, and we are going to make a loop at the top and then bend the wire down with the chain nose pliers. So we're going to bend the wire straight down to form the note, and then we'll get the bail making pliers again to form the loops. So we'll just bring the wire right around, clip it with the flush cutters. So we're just going to give it a little clip, and then we want to do another loop on the other side at the same distance. So bring the wire all the way around with the bail making pliers to form your loop, and then we need to clip it with the little nippers. So give it a little clip and then use the flat nose pliers just to press in those little pokey ends and do any little adjustments that you need for the note. So there's our finished note, and then now we're going to make some earring hooks. So we're going to take about 1 3/4 inches of 20 gauge wire, and then we're going to put 2 pieces together, line them up, and use the bail making pliers to bring the wire around into a hook. So they're the same size, and then we need to clip them in case one's a little longer than the other. Just make sure the end is nice and flush. And then from there, we're just going to bend the wire at a wee bit of an angle, just a bit, so it can still go through your ear. And then we'll smooth that end with the burr cup tool, or if you have a file, you can file it down so it's soft. And then we're going to open up the hook, and we'll put on our pick first, and then we're going to put on our note, and we'll close it up. So there's the first one with the note, and you can do a pair like that, or you can do a treble clef. So we're going to take about 5 or 6 inches of the 20 gauge wire. We'll use the bail making pliers to make a little hook at the bottom. Make sure it's going to fit on top of the pick, and then do another little curve at the top at the height of the treble clef, and then we are going to make a loop around, little circle that will be in the middle of the treble clef. So just bring the wire around to the back, and then we want to hold it at the top and push that circle so it's centered on the treble clef. You see it's in the center there, and then we're just going to have to clip it, get rid of that little end. So what I'm going to do is just take that end and hook it around the vertical wire. Then we'll give it a little clip And we will take our flat pliers and just pinch it in there. So now we need to make a little loop at the bottom of the treble clef, just with the round nose pliers. Just bring it around into a little loop. And from there, we're going to clip it with some flush cutters. We'll just clip off that little end. And then we want to pinch in the pokey end. So there's our treble clef. You can adjust it as you need. And then we'll go ahead and get our earring hook, open it up, put on the guitar pick, and then put on the treble clef, close up the hook, and there's your treble clef and note guitar pick earrings. So thanks so much for watching the video. Give it a big thumbs up if you liked it. Be sure to subscribe to my channel for lots more wire art and jewelry making videos. And if you'd like to share photos of your wire art and jewelry, be sure to join the Wire Makers Club on Facebook. And if you'd like to check out my work on Etsy, my husband and I specialize in custom wedding cake toppers and funky jewelry. I also have a mailing list, so if you'd like to sign up below, I'll send you my Wire Art Essentials ebook. You can get the templates in my Etsy DIY shop. Be sure to use the coupon code SAVE25 to save 25% when you purchase 5 or more templates, tutorials, or ebooks in my shop. So thanks again for watching, and we'll see you the next time.